winds are with us now.
Drill assault craft is landed. Starting excavation on the northern... I'm not done with you!
That drill will take time to set up. Hope Marin can slow them down.
I never liked heights. Who am I kidding? I chose the wrong profession. Should have wised up and chose the flame trooper track. Then again, I never liked fire either. There's someone...
How you doing, BD? Having fun back there? I think it's down there. That's the fort. Going down. Incredible. But that won't stop the Empire from reducing it to rubble.
Blocking them. Might be chambers and tunnels out here. Military report. What's that? It's the Jedi. Fire! An intruder?
Gotta hurry. Brother Armias can't hide forever. You know what to do. Sanctuary to all who seek. Sounds too good to be true.
Pilgrim Sanctuary should prove a worthy location for the safe house.
Its proximity to the Archive is ideal.
And with a bit of your slicing, this temple could once again provide safe haven for those who need it most.
Breathe. All set. Pilgrim Sanctuary has some new caretakers. That sentry droid could be trouble.
Got everything you can find. We need a clean sweep before the drill guts this place. This is the third temple we've raided. What's so interesting about Jedha anyway? Someone wiped out the squad on Overlook Patrol. Think it's Herman. Put that ghost story to bed, soldier. The witches are dead and gone, just like the Jedi. I'll get you! We were not trained for this! All right, get him!
Sustaining damage.
Watch my back! Focus on his guard! Now, or you'll be next! Don't stop this thing! Please don't hurt me! Bust him before he gets close!
Empire still has no idea what's under their noses, but they'll find the safe house eventually. Let's keep moving. No sign of the Path safe house yet. I see him, bud.
I'm led to believe that there is a vast network of subterranean waterways beneath the temple.
Perfect. That should give our operation cover from Imperial scanners.
Hold it! Come here! I'll take him down. Watch your aim! Get your eyes on him! Located up there. Here's the target.
Starting to think we're in the right place. What do you think? Great find. Okay, getting closer. Find something, buddy? There was a scramble to evacuate.
Quickly, everyone! This way!
Hurry!
Are you coming with us?
I must remain here a little longer. Go now, there is no time. I will seal the passage behind you. May the Force be with you all.
Easy now. See your Junda sent me.
Master Junda, you use the Force, you're Cal Kestis.
It's time to go. The Empire's closing in.
Yes, which is why this must make it back to Master Junda. These contact codes cannot fall into the hands of the Empire.
Cal, he's gone. Take this. Go through quickly. It will protect you. Go. I can't hold this forever. Go!
Couldn't save him.
You died protecting the path. It is our duty to make sure his death meant something.
Let's get these codes to Seer. We got this thing's attention. That was close. I see a way back in.
Then let's hurry.
Ready yourself for combat.
Oh, it's you!
You will yield!
They can't all be dead. Can they?
Another victory.
Look what we found.
Our friend is back.
Oh, good. Thanks again for the charm.
You needed it more than me.
We need to keep moving.
Oh, this is not good. We gotta get up! The cop here. Okay. You're not getting out of this! The Empire.
Nice work, Jedi.
You too, Desert Ghost.
Get over here, intruder!
Together, pal.
Over there! Exactly as planned! Stop! Intruder! Down! Keep your distance! You're going. Someone doesn't want to die today.
You will yield. You will break. Nice move.
Empire had no idea what they were about to find.
Good. They must never learn that the path was here.
There he goes! Attack the enemy!
Dead end.
We make a stand?
Do you trust me?
Of course. What are you up to?
No time to explain. Do you trust him?
Yes. Was that for luck?
No. For me. Jump through, Cal! Now!
I can't believe this!
Believe it! You can do this. Well done!
You got this, buddy!
This is not where we die.
I need an opening!
Nowhere left to run!
Then we stand together.
Now or never. One last jump. It's a big one.
Right behind you. How did you do that?
A ritual I learned when I returned to Dathomir. It is taxing.
You okay?
I am fine.
Come on. Let's get these codes to see her. I need to focus. Seer. Couldn't save Armaias. He gave his life for this. I'm sorry.
I know you did your best, Cal. And the Empire?
They did not track us.
Hey, Scrapper. Glad you made it back in one piece.
Master Cordova. Did you find a way across the Abyss?
No. But you may have, Cal. Bode and I were able to find some interesting data in the archives.
Let's show them what we dug up.
Centuries ago, the Republic established a colony on Kobol to study a stellar anomaly known as the Abyss. Santari Khri led the research team.
That Z with him.
Early attempts to navigate the Abyss ended in disaster. The Republic was on the verge of abandoning the project.
And then guess who volunteers to fly in alone and discovers a planet on the other side?
Dagon.
Using the data from his voyage, Kree invented the Abyss Compass to guide others safely to Tanalorr.
The Republic established a settlement. The Jedi built a temple. Just like you said, Cal.
Regrettably, a time of peace and prosperity was disrupted when Outer Rim marauders invaded.
I saw them too, but how'd they get across the Abyss?
He must have stolen a compass. Don't worry, we won't be so careless.
Overwhelmed, the Republic abandoned Tanalorr, and the Jedi Council ordered Kree to destroy the compass.
Dagon Gera refused and rebelled against the Order.
That is a Gendai. They do not often ally with other species.
Looks like Ravis has been working with Dagon for a lot longer than we thought.
So the Order sent Jedi to secure the compasses. Dagon murders them over it.
Jedi. Killing other Jedi.
But Centauri said that Dagon was the key to Tanalorr.
Maybe he is, young Jedi. Despite my efforts, those compasses you brought me were beyond repair. However, records indicate that 3 were unaccounted for.
So you're saying one might still be out there?
Yes.
And Dagon sent his army to look for it.
I'd ask you to stay and help us, but I recognize that look.
What look?
Hope. That planet could be a haven for those who stand against the Empire.
So you coming with us? I mean, Grease can make room on the Mantis. For all of you.
No. This place needs me. The Hidden Path needs me.
Cordova?
I'm sorry, my friend. But for now, my place is on Jeddah with Seer. Let me prepare a data stick so you'll have access to our research wherever your journey takes you.
Let me guess. You're staying too.
When we first met, I thought that what we shared was unique. Survivors, fighting together against the Empire who took our families.
Yeah. You helped me realize I wasn't alone.
As did you. But there is a galaxy full of people who have suffered as we have. It's as Seer said. Perhaps you have found a sanctuary for them.
Perhaps. If we can get to it.
I will join you. Besides, it's been far too long since I've made Grease's hair stand on end.
See you back on the Mantis night, sister. Focus.